What's up, friends, and welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we are going to draw two little besties. So grab your marker and let's begin this masterpiece. First, we're going to start with the eyes. So you're going to make two little circles and you're going to come across for the second one. Just like that. Little lashes, a little nose, and a bright smile. That looks so cute. Okay, gonna give her eyebrows. Okay, now we're gonna give her some hair. So we're gonna make a line and then curve down. Now we're making the border for the face. Just like that. And now we're making her body so we can make the hair, because if we make the hair right now, we won't know where to like flip it or make the design. So we're gonna make a little shirt. We're gonna make a matching dress for the two besties. So I made a heart that looks like that. Oh my gosh! You see that? Oh my gosh! Okay. Now we're going to make a little skirt. Of course, I love skirts. Okay. That looks good. And I hope yours look good as well. Okay, now we're gonna make the little legs. And the second one. Oh, that's better. That's better, okay? Now we're going to make her little arms. Like, like that. Okay. And of course she needs a bracelet. Friendship bracelet. Haha. Okay. Now we're gonna make her hair. We're gonna continue with the hair. Okay. I have to stop there because we're gonna make the other girl. And she's gonna have her arms across, so it's gonna cut the hair there. Okay, but now let's make two little eyes again. I have a problem. So my BFF is taller than me and I'm shorter. So I guess this BFF does not have that problem. You know, short and tall BFFs, and there are more kinds. Their faces are so similar. Like, there's barely any difference, so we should give her some curliness. Because, you can make swirls, or you can make a bun, two ponytails, one ponytail, anything you like. You can basically draw your BFF. But if your BFF looks like my drawing, then I'm basically reading your mind. Hee. Let's give her two clippies. Maybe your BFF has glasses like me. You could draw that too. Okay. Now I'm just continuing with the shirt. Of course, gotta give her that flower. I mean the heart, not the flower. Looks like a flower though. And her hand's going like that, like on her friend's back. She also has that bracelet. And now I gotta make the skirt. Her skirt's a little bit different because it has that. Of course, nothing's the same. Her shoes should be the same. That looks like a goat's leg, honestly. Oh my gosh. Like, seriously, it looked like a goat's leg. It's okay, we can give her those straps to make it better, okay? Because I don't want her to have a goat's leg. Let's make the knees. Okay. At least one leg doesn't look that bad. Okay, let's just complete this so we could end our beautiful besties drawing. You can make this on a card or anything. This was perfect for two little besties, and that's it. That's the end of my drawing. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my videos. See you again. Bye.